Tell me about yourself. This is one of the most common questions asked in any interview. Well, I have answered this a bunch of times before, but I'd like to give it a different twist this time. So, what's the motive of people asking this? This has no one set answer, and it will differ from person to person and what your experiences are like, what's there in your CV, right? But what doesn't change is the fact that the interviewer is trying to understand what you are like when you communicate. So, can you hold a conversation? Can you explain things properly? Can you link point A to point B? Can you talk about yourself and your experiences in a proper manner? All of these things matter a lot when you are speaking. Your communication skills, your logic, your ability to hold a conversation, this is essentially what they are checking in this question. The other thing is, it's a way to connect the dots on your CV. So in case you've not mentioned something on your CV, or maybe you've changed jobs a bit too frequently, this is the right time for you to shape a narrative, shape a story around it, to explain why is it that you have transitioned from one job to the other, and what has your motives been like. Where do you see yourself going with these transitions? So it's essentially a question where you start building a rapport with the other person, and you also tell the interviewer things which you feel have not been covered in the CV but can help you create a positive impression. If this question helps, then do subscribe to my YouTube channel, AskAnnie.